move over Sonic, move over Sonic, move over Sonic, move over Sonic. Hello guys, welcome to my third pan spinning tutorial session. In today's session, I'm going to teach you how to do a Sonic. This is also a very basic skill you can learn. If you already learned how to do a windmill from last video, Sonic will be much easier to learn. So if you don't know how to do windmill yet, you can go ahead watch previous video to learn how to do it. And that's all for talking. Let's get it. Step 1. Hold a pan with 4 fingers, ring finger, middle finger, index finger, and thumb, just like when you do windmill. But this time you have to hold the middle of the pan. When you did a windmill, you had to hold the pan 1/3 of it, but this time you have to hold it middle of the pan. This trick is more like flicking it instead of swinging. So you have to hold the middle of the pan and make it well balanced so you can flick it over more easily. Step 2. Swing and move it over. But you have to leave your index finger straight so the pan can hit your index finger and move it over, just like this. If flicking over is hard for you, try to lift your hand a little while you're moving it over. Then the rebound of lifting your hand together will make move hand much easier, like this. Lift your hand over. So when you're flicking it, it goes like this. Goes touch your index finger and move it over. Index finger, move over. Step 3. Swing it just like windmill and move it over. This way you'll see more dynamic circular motion when you do a Sonic. This is a little advanced movement of Sonic. I call this Wind Sonic since it looks like windmill is combined with Sonic. Looks more fancy also. If this looks hard, please leave a comment so I can make another video for this trick. Step 4. After you move over a pen, toss it back between ring finger and middle finger and do Sonic again. This way you can keep doing Sonic forever, like this. When you do Sonic, move it over to ring finger and middle finger and do Sonic again. Move over, Sonic, move over, Sonic. Move over Sonic, move over Sonic, move over Sonic, move over Sonic. Just like this. Let me show you this way too. And that's it for today. If you have any questions, please let me know on comment. And also don't forget to subscribe and like video. Thank you and I will see you guys soon.